So today we're at the Homebuilding Renovation Show at London XL. It's been a fantastic show for us today. Great event, lots of people here. Yeah, really good day. So we've been exhibiting here now for, I think this is our 4th year. We've been here, it's a really good show for us. It's, I think, the second busiest show that they do. It's a really good opportunity for us to meet with end users that are looking to do projects, whether it's a retro fit in renovations, and also to network with a lot of the other companies that are exhibiting here as well. So on our stand today, we're exhibiting the Aritco HomeLift. We've got one over here where we're able to show the customers so they get a really good idea of what it looks like, the feel, the design, and the space that it takes up. The exhibition for us is very much about planting the seed. You know, we're looking to try to catch customers at a really early stage of their project. So lots of people here just gathering ideas, fact-finding, but we do also find we get customers coming in with plans a bit further along, but it's a fact-finding mission for them, and we're here to help and support them and sell the idea of future-proofing with a home lift. So for anyone that wasn't able to make it, the first thing I'll do is I'd suggest you come and visit us at Aylesbury, where we have a showroom there and we can exhibit all 3 models that we offer. Alternatively, if you're looking for something like a similar experience to this, we also exhibit at the National Self-Building Renovation Centre in Swindon. It's a permanent exhibition, open sort of 365 days a year. Great opportunity to come and see everything that's on the show here. And we're also able to demonstrate our Aritco HomeLift at that show too.